In this multiple choice question, from the given option, they are insisting us to specify the correct option illustrating the unlabeled alphabet A, B, C and D given in this phosphorus cycle. For this, let me understand the phosphorus cycle in which way it is executed. An essential ingredient of all living organisms is phosphorus. Plant provide phosphorus to consumer either directly or indirectly. Phosphoric rock also contains phosphorus. It is released when plant and animal remnant breaks down. Phosphate rock could not be deposited in soil deepest layer as a result of released phosphorus. When an animal or plant dies, its organic matters eventually decomposes, moving to the action of microorganism, releasing phosphate into the water that can be recycled. With this specification, we are choosing option C as a correct answer. A is indicating the retrieve O, the B is exactly indicating the rock mineral, C is indicating producer, D is indicating the liter file. With this specification, we are choosing option C as a correct answer to secure 4 mark, and we are ignoring option A, B and D.